What's up, entrepreneurs? Patrice S. Jordan here, founder of Bosses Build Business Credit YouTube channel, where we teach entrepreneurs how to build business credit utilizing EIN only, create passive streams of income, and most importantly, get in vehicles under your business. No PG, no money down. So today I'm excited about this company that we have found. This company, let's talk about customer service, y'all. Because the number one thing for me with a company that is going to help us within the process of building business credit is their customer service. And their team are so effective. So I'm excited to share with you guys this new tool with this company. The company is called Growegy. Their whole strategy behind this is that growth with strategy. So that's where the name comes from. So with this particular company, they actually have a mobile app as well too that you guys can use. It can be done through the Apple Store or through those who have like Google Play. So this is one of the main things that I wanted to show you guys as well, because a lot of these companies that we're working with right now do not have the capability of having an app for them. With this particular company, it don't just help you build business credit net 30 wise, it actually works with AI. So their system is genius, where it shows you guys how to be able to build business credit, but also utilize their back office to help you guys with planning. You can do business plans, you can do content, you can build business credit with their system. And then they also have a net 30 program that allows you guys to be able to pay on a monthly basis, as always, like a subscription base. You pay on a subscription base and you're able to build business credit with them. The good thing about this company is that I like the fact that they actually want to see that you guys are actually in business. So when you go and you sign up for them, and we'll make sure we have the link down below in the description that you guys can click on the link directly to go with them, to go directly to them. The great thing about them is that when you initially fill out the information with them, they will message you back telling you that, obviously they've received the information, but they want proof that you guys are actually in business, right? Such as like your business EIN, in order for them to approve your account. So let's just take a moment and go through this really quick. So as you guys can see here, they work with AI, right? So to be able to create social media posts, like for product and services, they help you target the audience that you guys are looking to target. It gets information on your company, the topics, the product and service that you guys offer. When you go back in the back office to your library area, it gives you all the different things that they can work with you on, from content, social media strategy, SEO, y'all. Y'all know we talk so much about SEO, search engine optimization. And this company, Growegy, they help you guys with your SEO as well too. They help you guys with email, advertising, websites. A lot of you guys are struggling with your websites, and they're doing a lot of this stuff through utilizing AI. This is why I love this business, because 75% of businesses right now are not doing well because they do not know how to incorporate AI. So we were able to learn how to incorporate AI, not just for ourselves, but with our businesses that we work with. Because we actually partner with Growegy as well too, to be able to get their brand out there, because they are bomb, y'all. So let's continue going through their system, because I love it, y'all. So we signed up, we got in, we're on a subscription plan with them. And we also partner with this company as well too, to be able to help entrepreneurs like yourself to be able to take your brand to the next level. Now, planning. You can schedule out, obviously, your content and stuff. Once you get in here, you're able to schedule out your content. You're also able to do like business plans. So a lot of you guys right now are struggling with business plans, but with Growegy, they actually help you guys with your business plan. So you can personalize your business plan, and it shows you on the left-hand side exactly all the different things that are going to help you guys with to be able to put this business plan together. And obviously utilizing AI to be able to help you guys do that. AI has taken over the world, y'all, and we have to keep up. But their system is not just a net 30 system. It's not just a subscription-based system either. It actually helps us in the process of building our business and creating a business plan, because we all need a business plan in order for us to take our business to the next level. So even down to their marketplace, they'll show you guys different companies that they currently work with, right? So you can discover like hand-picked selections of services tailored for small businesses. So they actually hand-pick services that work with small businesses. And a lot of these you guys are familiar with already because we use a lot of them already, like Fair Figure. Fair Figure, we know, reports to all three bureaus now. It was just reporting to two bureaus, but now it reports to all three bureaus, Dun& Bradstreet, Experian, and Equifax. And then with Growegy reports directly to Experian and Equifax business, which for us is good because a lot of you guys struggle with your Equifax and your Experian and not realizing that there's so many vendors out there that can help you guys to be able to build these bureaus. Dun & Bradstreet, we know, is the easiest one. But Experian business and Equifax business sometimes is the hardest to build depending on obviously who you're talking to, right? Because when you guys are part of our community, we make it easier for you guys. They also work with DreamHost. So DreamHost, with your they help you with your website builder, find your domain name, email hosting as well. We all familiar with Brex corporate card. Obviously, Growegy as well too. We're all familiar with Nav. Nav reports to all three as well on a subscription base. Dun & Bradstreet, Experian, Equifax. If you attach your personal, obviously on the FICO side and things like that. But we don't utilize our personal Social Security number, which is great. And that's one of the main reasons why I love this company, because it is net 30. It goes off of our business, not our personal. Okay, Taylor Brands help you with your LLC formation, business insurance, business bank account, logo, etc. Growegy is a game changer, y'all. If y'all not familiar with this company, y'all gonna get familiar with this company today. So I want you guys to make sure that you guys are utilizing our link down below because we are officially partnered with Growegy. So make sure that you guys are utilizing our link. We'll drop the link in the description for you guys down below. Okay, so as we keep going, like with your settings, it shows you guys with your basic AI. As you go through the process with them, it shows you how to set everything up. So month one, $55, month two, month three, so on and so forth. And like we mentioned before, they report to Experian and Equifax. And the great thing I love about this company is that they tell you when their next reporting is. So right now, their next reporting, as per this video, is the next reporting is March 14, 2025. It is $55 a month and is absolutely worth it. You can also get help from this company as well. Like I said, their support team is amazing. I met with the owner, the CEO, and the CEO and the CFO of the company as well, too. Amazing individuals. But you can download the app as well too. You can go through the tutorials. You can reach out to their support team as well too to get help with your particular account. And they have integrations as well too, y'all. So just going back to the integrations. So if you guys are familiar with Salesforce, they integrate with Salesforce where you guys can connect your Salesforce account with them. They also tell you the different type of program types that they have, from email, events, social media, templates, webinar, websites. And once you guys get on track with them, they'll be able to help you guys to take your business to the next level. So instead of you guys trying to do everything on your own or trying to figure everything on your own, this company not just helps you build business credit, but they also help you build a business that's going to last. You can even put together team members. It also tells you your billing, like when your billing is due for your next payment, just in case, things happen, right? So guys, Growegy is it. I have done videos on this company before, and the way that things work, before we were able to even release this video, they reached out to us in regards to wanting to learn more about our business. And it was perfect timing because we were literally going to put them out there without a partnership a few days ago, and then we end up doing a partnership with them. So this is a perfect platform for anybody who is looking to utilize AI to build business credit, because you got to remember, AI is not going anywhere. We have to get hip to what's happening with AI. And if you don't understand AI for your business, you have to start understanding AI for your business, because AI is a game changer. It's 2025 and AI is not going anywhere. It's just getting stronger and stronger and stronger and stronger. So if you guys are looking for a system to be able to help you guys build business credit that's going to report to Experian and Equifax, I highly recommend Growegy, not just because they build business credit, but also because they help us with business plans. And with most of us as business owners, we don't understand how to utilize business plans. So y'all, I appreciate y'all. I thank y'all so much. I'm going to drop the link down below for you guys to go ahead and sign up with Growegy. They are, trust me, customer service is A1. And you guys know I'm big on customer service. That's one of the biggest things that's missing in the industry. And they were able to bring back customer service. So highly recommended that you guys go and you check Growegy out. Again, my name is Patrice S. Jordan, founder of Bosses Build Business Credit. Make sure that you guys subscribe to our YouTube channel, guys. As we start to grow, we'll start to give you guys a lot more information that you guys need in order for you guys to grow and scale your business. As a reminder, Bosses Build Business Credit. I'll talk to you guys soon.